Hello, thank you for watching. This is the Anko large dehumidifier from KMart. Instructions, a little bit of piping, and the dehumidifier is off. So that's the contents of the box. The piping is only if you want to externally drain the water. You have the on-off switch, there's a front grille, and this is the collection tray. It has a indentation here, and also here on the side. So you can easily use it as sort of like a carry spot or a carry handle. You can see the fan. And then there's an outlet for if you want to externally drain the water. And behind the grill there is actually a little air filter which you'll have to take out for cleaning occasionally. My house can at times be quite damp, so at the moment I just had these sort of moisture absorbers or Hippo, but I'm hoping that I can use this to better control the amount of moisture or water in the air. So powering it on. I would describe the noise level about the same as a normal household fan. It's been going for about 2 hours now. I'm just gonna switch it off and see how much water is collected. And it's collected a small amount of water for me. Obviously, the amount of water it collects would depend on how much moisture there is in the air. When the collection tank is full, the light actually does flash and the unit doesn't actually collect any more water. So it's here where it triggers this sensor. So you just empty it and put it back in. And you can turn it on again. Overall, I'm quite happy with this dehumidifier. It's pretty basic, but it does the job.